So good afternoon. So, can I answer? What is your
My name is Jeffrey Katinan. We have order of student of the NSTP or National Training Service.
sir? So, I have a question, sir. So, as a NSTP officer, how does the NSTP help coordinate our school program? And how does the NSTP office support school health initiatives? And what programs are in place to promote the well-being of students?
Okay, so for the NSTP as the National Service Training Program, we have to take the initiative to help the students of our university or our school. We create program, for example, the clean up drive, tree planting, gift giving activity, and also related with your questions to make sure the health of students initiative to help. So, for example of that is we assume that we need to maintain the cleanliness of our school campuses within the premises of our campus. So, as much as possible, especially for the one of the components of this NSTP, this is CWTS, we conduct like a short program to, for example, we gave them a project, trash can, then that this trash can will be separated to biodegradable or sinasabi natin na nabubulok at saka di nabubulok, then na basura, then ilalagay natin ito sa mga front ng buildings natin ng mga department or colleges. This is also one of the example to make sure our surrounding is clean. So may impact din ito sa ating mga students kasi if we have a clean surrounding, then we also have a clean surrounding, and to make sure to avoid some viruses or dahil galing sa basura. Then for other example is we give short lessons or knowledge in regards with how to properly dispose our garbage, and also some trainings related to avoid this type of some diseases na nagpo-cause especially in sa school. Uso talaga yung fever o busipon. Then we give them some knowledge on how to prevent this type of disease na kumalat pa. So, yun na din. Then, for, so this, when you, yun na din. So, programs related, is this for clarification only? These programs is related only to for students in our school or also to outside? So, to outside, yun na din yung sa tree planting. So, for tree planting, we have also activities for tree planting. Then, this tree planting, as you all know, trees can help our environment, our planet. So, then, also for gift-giving activities. These gift-giving activities is we conduct, we choose school or areas with rural areas that we give school supplies and toiletries. And for example, for the toiletries, we have the for personal hygiene items. This also to help the students. We target the recipients of these some school supplies and toiletries or personal hygiene kit to the students of the rural areas. For example, we are going to conduct gift giving or lab drive activity at Lapacan Elementary School. The students there, the pupils out there is maybe yung sabi natin na sa rural areas medyo nutritional status nila is hindi masyadong meron talagang compared dito sa iba. So, yun ang target namin na CPN, to give them items that can help them elevate them konti lang sa makahelp sa kanila. Then, also for clean-up drive, there are also clean-up drive activities which will be conduct here lang sa Baliwasan, Barangay Baliwasan. The purpose of the clean-up drive first is to, syempre, from the word clean-up drive, we conduct a try to clean some of the areas in the barangay to for example dito sa mga some roads na kailangan nalinisin kasi alam natin air clean environment syempre mas less yung magkakaroon ng mga disease sa isang area pag malinis yung isang area. Okay, I think that's all for the activities and programs for the institute now, which I think that can help our students and also the people of the community. So,
Thank you so much.
I'm Mark Fernando and the TESA Mayor here from City.
So here's the question. Number 1 is, what role can student leader play in identifying and addressing health concerns or issues among students?
Student leaders play a vital role in our community here in CPPSU. So in addressing and identifying concerns, issues about the dear students in CPPSU is about that. There's a lot of ways like you are identifying your students that are having health issues, or we can make or implement an event or workshop or even campaign here in the campus so that it can raise awareness on how the students that can know about having the issues of health problems here in the students here in the CPP.